Again, you can look and see it's a steel cowl induction hood. It's got a 2-inch scoop on it. So I actually ordered it last week and it came in pretty quick. So shouts out to Amazon and Auto Metal Direct for getting this baby here pretty quick. All right, hold on. It looks real good. Didn't see any damages when it came through. So excited about getting this put on. I did see a little mark right there where it looks like it was folded back some, but I don't think that's worth me calling and complaining about it. Take a look at the hood. There, the top part of it. Scrape mark right there on it, but it's not too bad. So stay tuned. Be back in a sec. Gonna get the kids to help me put it on, but there it is. Alright, so I went ahead and sprayed some PB Blaster on this to go ahead and get the bolts loosened up a little bit, so you can see exactly where I'm going to be putting it on. A little damage right there. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to swap it. Plus I wanted to go ahead and get the cowl induction hood on it anyway, so can't use that as an excuse why. So I'm gonna get the kids to help me lift this on and get it done. So be back in a sec. That's it. What do you think?
Cool.
All right, stand by my little helper. There you go.
Just take for future reference.
Okay.
I'm tired. I just woke up too, so this is a bad picture.
Okay. Cool. Alrighty. Thank you guys. Alrighty. That was my crew helping me get the hood on. It wasn't too bad. Already has some character to it. Just that quick. So really proud and excited. So there it is. The Amazon special cowl inducted hoodie. And so, yeah, there it is. Look at that baby. Can't wait to see this thing done. All right, please like and subscribe to the channel and watch the C10 come to life.